Now we're gonna go to the movies. Yeah. I just finished my gynecologist appointment. Let me give you the rundown. I take the pills, and all of a sudden I passed out.
My little sweet potato.
I want to show you guys my little nighttime routine.
Oh, these are really hard. I love gummies. Vaginal.
My little sweet potato.
She's a runner. She's a track star.
Hello?
Pumpkin pie ice cream with this thing. She looks so good. Pumpkin mousse. It doesn't taste very good. No, it tastes good. But we're trying to make it into ice cream. So we'll see how it tastes. Okay, she's ready. Oh wait, can you press that? Press it down. Moment of truth. Okay, so it needs to spin again.
Again?
Yeah. It'll be like sweet. When it's cold, it doesn't. Hello. Oh yeah, it's a good texture.
It's good?
It's a good texture. See?
Ooh.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Wait, it's good. It's like salted caramel. Okay.
Hey, good morning. It's Friday. We just got back from a hike, a little family hike, and now we're gonna go to the movies. And I'm so excited because we're watching Wicked. Because when I went to New York for my birthday in August, we watched Wicked on Broadway, of course, obviously, but it was so good. I literally loved it so much. And Wicked, the actual movie, is out now, so I'm excited to go watch that. Like, actually so excited. Anyway, I'm gonna do my makeup really quick and then go see the movie. We're just gonna have a cutesy little cozy winter vibe for this little weekend at home with the family home. So yeah, awesome. Cool. Also, I washed my hair yesterday and I put dry shampoo in, so it's not bad. It's not greasy at all. Okay, oh my god, I'm rambling. Let me do my makeup really quick. Also, my skin is like changing skin tones every other business day because I was tan in Hawaii and now I'm like at home and I've been inside my house literally all the time. I literally don't leave my house, so I'm getting very pale. And now I have to like mix my foundation. So I have my 2 house labs and I'm mixing a little concoction here. I'm trying to like shade match this correctly. So far it looks good though. Yep. Cute. Oh, I think I did really good with the shade match. Like, it's very gorgeous. Okay, girly pops, I just finished my makeup. Look how cutesy girly. I'm gonna change into a different outfit, or maybe I'll wear this. I don't know, I wore this yesterday and it kind of smells like food because we were cooking. But I don't know, because I do want to be like a cozy vibe in the theater because it's always like freezing in there. I just want to be like cozied up with my popcorn, you know? Anyway, I'm gonna quickly eat something. Probably just have like a yogurt or something because I don't want to fill myself up before I get my popcorn. Anyway, Yes. Toodles. Oh, wait, what?
4D filled gummy peach. Should I get some? Should I try it?
Wait, they smell really good.
Are they hard?
Wait, they have pineapple too.
they're
Wait,
gooey.
and orange.
They're gooey. They're gooey. They're gooey.
Oh, the gushers inside.
Yeah.
Wait, there's strawberry too.
I like strawberry better than peach.
I just like when they're hard. Like,
Oh.
I love gummies, especially the sour gummies.
yeah.
So good. Look how cute these are. They're so tiny. Wait.
Experience movies without limits.
What?
Screen X.
That's what this is.
Yeah. What?
Yes, the Wicked Witch of the West is dead.
Hello. Okay, really random update. I am in the car right now, but I just finished my gynecologist appointment over the phone. I don't know if you guys have been following along my TikTok, but basically, let me give you the rundown. I had my period last week, and on the first day, it was crazy. It was so crazy, and not crazy in a good way. It was like crazy in a bad way. Basically, I had woken up on the first day of my period. I had woken up in the middle of the night with like pretty uncomfortable pain. It was like a 6 out of 10 pain. And then I was like, okay, you know what? It's not that bad. Like, let me just try to go to sleep and just tough through the pain. Over the next like hour, the pain intensifies, and it's literally like 8 out of 10 at this point. And I'm like, okay, girl, like I cannot go back to sleep. Like this pain is only getting worse. Let me go take some Advil. So I run over to my kitchen and then I grab some water. But after I like chug a little bit of water, I'm like, I feel really nauseous right now. So I'm like kind of dizzy, and then all of a sudden like a little you know that feeling when you're gonna like freaking barf? So that happened. And then I ran to the hallway bathroom. I didn't even make it to my own bathroom, and I threw up like 3 times. And then after that, I was like, okay, I can't throw up anymore. Like, girl, you need to keep it down, because if you're gonna take Advil, you can't throw it up, because then it's just not gonna work. So I chug a whole bunch of water, and then I'm like, okay, just chill. So I like force myself to just stop yakking, and then I take the pills, and all of a sudden diarrhea out of nowhere. Like, what do you mean? Hello? Yeah. So diarrhea, and I literally will. I mean, we all know what happens. And then I'm in bed, and as I'm waiting for this Advil to kick in, it's so painful. When I tell you, this is the most pain I've ever had in my entire freaking life, okay? And I've had some pretty painful things happen. I've had surgery before. I know what post-op pain feels like. This was, I don't want to say like, I don't know, it might be worse. It might have been worse because there was cold sweats involved. And if you guys have had cold sweats, it's literally the worst. It's like you're hot, but you're cold at the same time, and then you're sweating, so it's confusing. So yeah, that's what happened. And then all of a sudden I passed out from the exhaustion or pain. I don't even know what the heck. I woke up and then I was fine. That's the story of my experience on Saturday night. But anyway, I was a little bit concerned, and then I told John, and he was like, yeah, girl, like you probably should check that out. And then I also had a whole bunch of friends being like, yeah, you might have a cyst ruptured. Everyone in the comments of the TikTok that I posted were like, that sounds like endometriosis. You might have PCOS. Oh, that sounds like a cyst rupturing. You just went into early labor, passing a cyst. So not only did I endure this pain unprovoked, I was giving birth to a freaking cyst. A cyst. The only reason why I do not want a baby is to go through labor. And tell me why I just went through labor and no baby. No baby. I mean, I don't want a baby, but like, what the heck, man? Like, it's like you go through the pain for a reward, right? What is the reward? What is the reward? Oh my God. Anyway, so I've had like slight cramping on my right hand side, just like slightly a little bit. And so it's a little bit concerning because I'm like, why is it still cramping? It's like day 6 already. And my periods usually don't last that long. They're usually like 4 days. But right now it's like, why is it the 16? It's still kind of like, hey, like, you guys know what I mean, right? Like when it's the end of your period and it's like, hey, but you're like, no, please go away. Yeah, that's what it is right now. But anyway, my doctor ordered a pelvic ultrasound ultrasound. And I was like, okay, sure, yeah, cool. And then she was like, yeah, we're gonna have to use a transvaginal probe if that's okay. And I was like, yeah, okay. Keep in mind, I had no idea what that meant. I was like, sure. Why did I look it up? And this is a transvaginal probe. This is going inside. So that's just great. That's just really great. And now I don't want to go to my appointment, but I kind of have to. And I'm already scared of the doctor and needles and things entering my body. But anyway, that's the story of the situation that's occurring in this moment right now. Yeah, I just thought that I would update you. And I hope you guys are having a great day because mine is interesting for sure.
Maybe it would.
Okay.
That's it?
Okay. Yeah. So shiny.
Even more shiny.
Okay, hurry up.
Oh.
Look what came in the mail. Oh. See? Oh, these are so good.
They're so good.
Wait. Okay. Wait, let me take a photo. This is crazy. This is my favorite. Do you want to join the taste test? Rude. Okay, this is the first one we're trying.
What? Your whole hand is covered.
I like the orange one.
Yeah, the orange one is the best one.
Actually, no, I like the red one. What am I saying?
Oh.
There's only one orange.
Oh, what? This one is definitely the best one.
I like the green one. This is what they look like.
It has a bite in it. Because they're really chewy.
Oh. Good.
Good.
10 out of 10 candy. Let's try this one. I bought this with my own money. Not sponsored. The Instagram ads got me. I've never tried this one. Dragster 2000.
This one's good. I like this one.
I kind of like the small form factor.
They're pretty similar, right?
That's good.
The fruit flavor is more fruit. I like these better. These are not very sour.
Yeah.
These aren't as sour as these ones.
It's easy to work around, but
People are so annoying. This one's better.
But these ones are pretty good.
6 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
8 out of 10.
Helen shots. Oh, surprise guest. Surprise
Guest
taste
star.
tester. Wait, you have to wait for us. This is what they look like. Ooh.
I like when they're really hard.
Ooh, this one's sour.
These are the most sour ones.
Ooh, this one's good.
I like the sour.
no, pretty good.
Yeah, it's good.
Pretty good.
Okay, the chew on this is 10 out of 10. The chew on this is a 7 out of 10. The sour is 10 out of 10, and this is a 9 out of 10.
If you like
Sour.
really hard, chewy, like it's kind of stale, this is good.
Okay, the last one we're trying is Tom's Ferrari Soooo Hallen.
How long means right?
Can you open it?
Why only like that?
Because I have this.
Oh. I feel like it's grapefruit.
Hey, Ferrari. F1, please sponsor me. Hashtag brand trip.
no. Sorry.
Excuse me. Oh, these are really hard.
No,
What?
they're not.
Wait, what?
I feel like,
Okay,
okay,
what?
chewiness, it's a mix between the Helen shots
Wait.
and this. Oh no, went down my sleeve.
What do you got up your sleeve?
Wait, this one's really hard. Feel it. I don't really like it.
Yeah, I don't think this is probably the worst one.
Tastes like bubble gum. Okay, this one's still 10 out of 10, I think. Well, the thing is, I can only eat so many of these, but I can eat a lot of these. No, this is hard to chew.
I like that though.
Oh. Well, everyone's different.
Oh look, there was another orange.
Yeah, like what's this?
Should I put them back in there? Back in there. So many of them fell down my sleeve.
No.
Anyway, thanks for watching our little candy review.
Thumbnail.
Toodles!
That's small, honestly, when you have one.
Wow. Wow.
Don't break your teeth.
Wow. Sour. Sweet on the outside, sour on the inside.
This is the other way around, but yeah.
Getting all nice and situated. Okay. Hello.
As you can tell, it's nighttime and I'm about to go to sleep. I want to show you guys my little nighttime routine because this is me every night without fail. I have all my little goodies here, okay? First things first. Oh my god, I forgot my water. Oh, I don't want to go outside. Okay, give me 1 second. I will be right back. Hello, I'm back. And I have my water bottle. This is a Yeti. First things first, my magnesium glycinate. It's just a supplement. It's supposed to help with anxiety and sleep. I don't know if I feel a difference with this, but I just take it because people say it's good for you. I've been taking it for like a month and a half, almost 2 months, and I don't notice like a negative difference. So that's why I'm like, okay, I guess like if I take this, it won't hurt. A big gulp of water. And then I'll take a little like lip thingy. This is the one I've been using recently. It's the Fenty Push Puddin'. I honestly really like this one better than the Kiehl's one. I do love Kiehl's, but this one, I just love the texture of it. It feels so nice. The only thing I don't like about this is the packaging. I wish it was just like a tub or a tube. And sometimes I squeeze too much product and then I can't close it. It's a whole mess. So yeah. Hello. But the formula is really good. I really like it. It's very like moisturizing, nice and thick and glossy. It's like the best overnight lip mask and it doesn't feel super sticky either. And then I'll just like put the leftover on my elbow because elbows get dry, okay? Anyway, the lips are good. Next, this is the last step. It's my L'Occitane hand cream. I think this is like their limited edition one. It's the Citrus Road. I like this so much. It's very citrusy. I just put a little bit on the back of my hand. Rub her in. Yes, nice. It doesn't feel like super sticky or like lotiony and oily. I hate that feeling. Like the only reason why I don't like using hand creams and lotions is because of that like sticky feeling that you get. This is good enough where I can use my phone after and not feel like it's oily, because my pet peeve is when I'm like touching things and then it transfers the oil and it's like a whole sensory issue and I can't. Like I have to wash my hands. But anyway, that's my nighttime routine. Sometimes I'll take a melatonin. I'll either take Let Me Sleep or these natural melatonins. Anyway, that's my little nighttime routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video for today. It's been nice having people home for the weekend, for the holidays. I feel like my mood has been getting better recently over the past few weeks. You guys know that I've been struggling the past few months after coming back from Asia. I've just had a hard time feeling motivated or happy. I just feel like I have more of a will to live, if that makes sense. I'm accepting the happiness now. I'm still a little bit grumpy, but we're getting there. Okay, but anyway, I digress. I hope you guys enjoyed this video so much and I hope you guys are having an amazing morning, night. I love you so freaking much. I'm so grateful for all of you this year. I honestly would have not made it if it wasn't for you guys. Like, you keep me going. I swear to you, you are my will to live. I'm not joking. But anyway, I love you so much. If I hadn't said that already, thank you so much for watching and I'll catch you guys next week. Love you. Bye.